I learned way more than what I thought I would. Basically, thought I was going to learn just basic practices for being a better farmer, but it went more in detail once I got here and found out exactly what it is that we need to know.
The purpose of this workshop, of course, we always try to go with the interests of the farmers, and this workshop was done with the interests of the farmers in the region, and they wanted more information on, of course, cattle production. And of course, cattle production related to maintaining their herd in the proper manner, and of course, for them to, of course, be economically viable for their business also.
Mostly I've just learned from my father and basically the things that they've taught me over the years. But now I've learned there are other ways of farming and better ways of farming. The ways that that I've learned before don't work anymore now. Now we've learned that you need to rotate those bulls out, and we also learned that getting a bull from up the road from your buddy is not good enough anymore. You need to know the genetics of the bull and exactly what all the bull has to offer. It's a better way of farming. It's a better way of being able to produce better calves. So that's basically, and also as far as our soil being back in the days you just threw fertilizer and lime on the ground. Now there's ways of sending off the soil to benefit, to be able to get the best out of your soil, which produces a better grass, which produces a better cow.
By having events like this, like I said, that individual said they can go back to their community and they can talk to a lot of people that we might not know of, and they can expose them to different things that they learned at this activity. And when we go into that community again and say we're having this or having that, that individual would be say a person that we could use to get the word out.